do is arrive professionally early. Let me tell you, it's worth the money and it's big.
And you know, three layers like this.
And it tastes good. Hey, my Julsz! See, today I'm not in my turban, I'm in a hat. Out and about shopping. Now we're going to go and get some curry goat. But no, not curry goat. We're going to go get some goat meat to make brown stew mutton. We're the first one to make brown stew mutton, yeah? So we are the it's not curry, it's brown stew. We're the first one to make brown stew goat. So if you hear anyone else talking about brown stew goat, it's a lie. We made it. So the next clip you'll be seeing is us in West Green Road. We're gonna buy ram it up seasoning, booster, and just the meat, because we have all the seasonings, right? We have thyme, scallion, pepper. Yeah. Basically, we have everything. So, see you at West Green Road, my loves, me Julsz. Hey, me Julsz. So, we're back from shopping, and this is all to make some stuff for Father's Day to hand out in church. Mum did a bundle for Mother's Day, so we're gonna do a bundle for Father's Day now. Hey, me Julsz. So let's just run through what we got today. So we got mixed peppers, also known as bell peppers, potato. We got this sour cream Pringles. I got 2 of them, then I got Pringles normal. I got this liquor drink. Don't judge me, but you know, I just wanted to try it and whatever. Avocado. If you're a female, you should be having lots of avocado. I got these baby corns because they're really yummy. Tomatoes. Got some string beans. Then got my favorite mayonnaise. I'm a condiment queen, like I love mayonnaise. If you don't eat mayonnaise, then something wrong with you. Anywho, then I got organic carrots. I tried to go organic where I can, but you know, organic is very expensive. But yeah, organic carrots, another type of baby corn, a big bag of spinach. This was the only one left, so I got 1. I normally get 2 because I always eat spinach. Then cake will be baked later on, hopefully. So once it's baked, I'll show y'all how that comes out. And I got tomato sauce. Imagine this is £3.59 and this is £3.50, and look at the difference. Do you see the size? Right, got some bulbs of garlic. Are they bulbs? I think they're bulbs of garlic. Lion chocolate. Then tell the truth, which M&Ms are your favorite? Mine are the blue crispy ones. Mum's is the peanut ones. The chocolate ones I love by Java and Tussie, but I love the crispy ones. Then you know I'm a seaweed type of girl. If you don't know, this is the best seaweed ever. Itsu crispy seaweed fins. They're £2, but on Amazon you can get a packet of 18, I think, for £10. So I got 3 in Morrison's because I go through them very quick, very quick. Then we have apple juice, which is the favorite drinks in the house. Tussie goes through these in no time. Literally, these are £1.95. They used to be £1.45 for 1. So you see, inflation is really inflationing. Then we got this. This is my favorite drink. Don't play with it. Coca-Cola. Okay. Then we have pineapple and ginger. We got callaloo, because I'm trying to up my intake, my veggie intake. Favorite seasoning in this house is Maggi chicken, and then you have Maggi all purpose. One of these is for £7 something each. Then we have our little Jamaican snacks, you know, like just a little thing in there. Then we bought some tea, Cersei tea, to flush out the system, because you know you got to refresh your system. Then mac and cheese. I got this quinoa thing. I'm gonna try and make this quinoa crisp thing that I saw that I really like. And then I got some Jamaican herbs, guinea hen weed, this one, this one. Then I got this to try to see if I like it. Rainbow roots, sweet potato, carrots, and then this is the meat. So this is 2 kg worth of goat meat. This can, to be honest, I could split this into 3 and it will serve. This can split into 3 servings. Oh, and I got honey as well. So yeah, this is all of the shopping, and trust me, this ain't gonna last no time. No time, baby, no time. But yeah, I will come and show you guys what dinner is like, and then I think that will commence this vlog. Look at that, babe. Look. Hey, my Julsz, so it's a different morning.
Huh?
And
We're going to the nail shop.
going to the nail shop because
And somebody make us like.
my nail is busted.
Not me, you. I don't know why you take it out of the dryer.
My nail is
We're
busted.
going to argue today.
So these nails need to be doing. Look at that. Look at that.
You see who I'm going to extra
They're
now?
busted.
The car not started.
Don't do that, cause if I don't vlog your cost, oh, they're gonna live on YouTube, oh, you're gonna make money. I know when I'm vlogging, you're still cussing. Boy, black people are so hard to please.
I'm just chilling on the car, so still got cash for it.
Could they really
Don't
pop
support
any
the car.
closer? My God.
What do we get?
All to them, man.
So yeah, guys. So where's your jacket?
It's in the wash.
You take him alone.
We don't know
Wow.
why Prestige take it out of the dryer by now.
Oh, she could have started the wash and with the dryer earlier, cause she always knows we go nail shop very early. She should have put on the dryer earlier than normal, then, isn't it?
She's sleeping late, that's why.
One demon did in my dream. And the handsomest man me was see. The man handsome me, me did they wash man here. It doesn't matter me say for washing beard too. Cool man, you know.
Is that traffic or? Oh, sweet. Oh, you can't even turn that way.
You go green. We can't go through here anymore.
No, there's the big takeaway sign, Prestige.
Why can't I go? What please? Wow. Jesus.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna go to Crowns to get our nails done, and then today should be a very eventful day.
Yeah.
We've got the night for our beloved sister that passed away. I don't know what this thing is in. So yeah, this is why we need to get our nails did, because anywho, guys, I need to concentrate on driving, so I will see y'all in a little while.
Oops.
Everything is so hot in here, like. Hey, my Julsz! I'm sure my top lip is sweating again. I can't drive yet, Prestige. You're just so impatient. People, let me tell you, right? So today is the night night for one of our church sisters, right? And what time does it start? 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock. I'm sure it's out 6 or 7 o'clock, right? And Mum wants us to leave North London to go to South London from 3 o'clock. And I know we're gonna be so early. Isn't that right, Prestige? And for beautiful soul, she really was a beautiful soul, honestly speaking. So we're on our way to get Tussie, so we can go to South London. And it's gonna take us an hour to get there from Google Maps timing. When we're driving, I won't be able to vlog because I use the phone for navigation. But I will try and video as much as I can. But guys, England is like burning. Woo! It is really hot. Even the steering wheel, very, very hot. The steering wheel is very, very hot. Prestige gonna go full of her belly. This truck needs to wait there for us to pass. Yes, thank you, sir. Yeah, big lorry. Don't you know this is not a road for lorries? Huh? Don't you know that? I don't know where he's going with this big lorry. This tight road. It's very hot though. I want a big. Oh, I need to break my fast before I even talk about food. Talking about food, I need to break my fast. I'm gonna have to break my fast a little early today because you know I don't really like driving when I'm hungry. It's not the best feeling at all to drive when you're hungry. So I'm going to be getting some food. Do you know what it is as well? When it's so sunny, the glare from the sun, and this is why I didn't want to put mascara. I knew there was a reason why I didn't put mascara on, you know, because the mascara particles sometimes fall in my eye and it makes it a bit odd. Prestige, you see? And next time I'm not going to listen to you. Because I was thinking, why am I going to go and put on mascara? Because my eyes already hurt, my eyes already bothering me. My eyes already bothering me, and my mum is just being very... Guys, Prestige rushes today. She rushes come, she rushes go, she rushes. She rushes. And I told her, if we go there and no one is there, you owe us a fancy meal tonight. Yeah? Because realistically, it will take an hour max to get there. We could have left here at 5 o'clock. Yeah? But what mommy loves to do is arrive professionally early. Let me tell you guys, she wants to be there when decorators haven't come yet, caterers haven't arrived yet. And this is every single invitation. Oh no, let me not tell. Wait. This is a bit of a busy intersection. Hold on, guys. I gotta shut my chappers for a minute. Hurry up, love. Right. So what was I saying? I was talking about Prestige and her prestigeness, right? She likes to be very, very early. Very early. If we are late to an event, it's literally because something has happened that's made us late. But normally we are very early, or more so on time. Very on time. I don't make me feel like the fool gone down before she reads. I'm joking.
No,
that's a joke. That's a joke. But it's not about everyone has to be late, mum. But honestly, you get in there 3 hours before event start. Is a bit.
No, it's Friday. And
yeah, it's
busy areas.
No, we're not going to a busy area. He wants a ticket. He mustn't know the rules. They can pay that £80 fine. I cannot. And I will not. But yeah, this AC is not even an AC in today. Oh, I didn't put it on me. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a bit better. Whoa. Subscribe, like, comment and share. I keep on forgetting to say that. And subscribe to my mum's channel as well. Prestige J. But yeah. Is he turning? He's turning, yeah. I was thinking, but what confused was that he kept on driving. I thought, why you keep on driving? Are you not turning? Anywho, Mitchells, do what you need to do, and I love you. Remember, I'm Julsz Tymm. Over here we have a good time. You know, I always see everyone introducing themselves like, oh yeah, I'm such and such, and over here we create the content. Well, let me tell y'all, over here we chit chat, we eat food, the phone is dropping. So it's mainly a vlogging channel with the odd story time here and there, and the odd food and lives and but we really are a vlogging channel. Can't really see me, so I apologize. But yeah, guys, on that note, I will speak to you shortly. Love you. Bye, guys.
The burger drive for some reason.
So this is my. My burger looks so It does look ghetto. This is
My family.
it just big and fat. Look,
Oh yeah, it's cream. Oh, I got cheese. And you got that cheese.
this is a big tasty, mum, so it's not gonna look like a Big Mac, love.
Big tasty.
The big tasty is for fat people.
Fat people.
For fat people.
Where you get me that?
You're not fat.
Me not fat.
No, mum. You're not a fatty
So why you
people.
rip up the burger, son?
That's how mum always eats her
One more
burger.
thing, though. I not tell me who pay for what. That's a man. I don't know some eat burger.
So how you know the patty, so?
Me can't, it's too big.
So,
I fit it here.
so how you know the patty like that?
Boy, I hope I don't mess up myself because we're in white and
Prestige already mess up herself. Look at the mayo and the lettuce on her clothes.
really.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right there, you don't see it. Right there, so.
Eat my...
Right there, so.
Eat, mister.
You can't go to the people and place where they will food stamp on your clothes.
Mum can't eat.
Well,
Mum can't eat meat to save her life. This is so good.
Huh?
This is so good.
It's good.
Mm.
You know burger?
It's worth the money and it's big
And you know, three
and
layers
it,
like this.
and it tastes good. Look at my face.
You look nice.
You look good too.
Oh, it's cool. It's the same.
Alright.
I'll go, Mum. I'll go, Joe.
Boy, the food's sweet. But Jules,
Barely get in there.
food good. Be a fatty, you enjoy food better. You take time to Jules? What happened?
Thought I saw something on my shirt.
Yeah. Nice.
I'll go, my jewels. Alright, nice or not nice?
This? It's absolutely delicious. You might buy it.
You want to share?
Mm.
You want to share?
You know burger?
It's worth the money and it's big
And you know, three
and
layers like this.
it tastes good. This give me like American vibes, like.
It tastes good. Let us take out the tomatoes.
Because the big books.
Tomatoes are kind of old, isn't it?
The meat?
The tomato?
No, it's
Meat,
fresh.
the meat not tastes resty. Tastes dry to me.
Okay, you see some dry.
Look too slow.
Oh, yeah.
That dry.
That's why you have the
No, Jesus!
mess up. Oh my God. Hey, you have to give it food now?
Hey, anybody have a bib? Someone a bib, boss? I'm going to swim with get to one now.
First you have lettuce in your lap, you know? Why?
Lettuce in lap?
Hey, you have fish, eat the penny, what food? Wow, my dream.
Oh wow, that's spicy, isn't it? Gosh, I didn't know it was that spicy.
It's nice though.
What is that? Spicy, isn't it?
Yeah, but that's like really, really hot.
Eh?
It's not spicy nice, it's spicy hot. Why?
Not to these dollar?
Is it pepper you want?
Pepper shall get.
Alright. Yeah.
Okay.
This is like a Jamaican sandwich.
Hey.
Mm.
Oh, I'm not sure I'm turn on the rain then.
What?
I come out right here, so I'm going to be in.
Mom, he said this is like a Jamaican sandwich.
Oh, what is this? Summer.
Girlfriend.
Is it turn on the rain?
Yeah.
It's alright, you know.
This in America is what it's small.
That's a
Medium.
medium.
Looks good, see. This is a medium in America.
Yo!
Can you imagine you get over there and buy a large? Why?
Americans, they're active on the food, yeah? First neighbor peoples. cheeseburger. So that.
Imagine, mommy make us leave the house from
Mash it
3
up.
o'clock. The event starts at 7 o'clock, right?
Look at my body.
We've now arrived. What time is it? We've now arrived. We've arrived, right? And it's what time? What time is it? It's
more than an
now.
hour early.
Is it 6 o'clock now?
Yeah.
Okay, we're an hour early, guys. We just checked the premises. No one's even in the building.
Well, guess what? We wasn't even early for 6 o'clock.
We weren't even early for 6 o'clock.
If I 6 o'clock, if I would have just on time though.
No,
No.
but mom, but they must say no. When I say 6 o'clock, that means 6 o'clock. Them are going to set up and thing, you know, and get ready. Even it's not, we must have 9:90 down the church, you know, mom. So I don't like you come and start sing right away.
Time
They are going to start set up 6 o'clock. So by the time at 8:30 before anything start going.
Guys,
Dreadful.
mark my words. Anytime my mother has an event to go to again,
I know that's church.
we are leaving when it says the start time is start timing.
Yes.
Yeah?
Unless at church
Unless it's church. That's the only exception.
or wedding.
Or a wedding. Them two
yeah, them two,
exceptions.
Jump on the week
Praise the Lord.
Wake up in a church bathroom.
Let the people
No.
This day can come.
Can you imagine what mom like a shoes down and I wait for you release out tomorrow? I'll 3 weeks before mom can put up in a steep bag.
Absolutely crazy.
No.
I knew this is actually I put money on this. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew it. I knew this was gonna happen.
Talk to them, the boobs.
You know what I do? You know what I do? Change. Tabi never stay so. Tabi I never want to go in real late. We always go early and
We're
start
not
happy.
late. We're not even. We're not even early. We're not even early. We're beyond early at this point. No.
Always go places early. I'm able to travel out 2 hours more at the airport.
Traveling is different. I don't mind going to the airport early. That's different.
Yeah, change.
I'm not changing. I'm 28 years old. I'm not a little girl. I'm 28. I'm almost 30. I'm 28.
Yeah, change that man, let us see, man. Yeah, change that.
Boobs, I thought they go find boobs. Why you do it, boobs?
Jamaican side. Jamaican back side.
That's not the point.
Got a pit bull.
It's not about going late.
Wow.
It's the simple
There's
fact
something
that
wrong with them
people
legs.
are just.
Whoa,
I just don't want to be sat around waiting for hours. That is it.
What's something wrong with the dog? You don't see the dog are limping at the back. Look.
See dog name back.
Look, see? The tattoo?
This dog. Like it dog and I even.
Oh, wow.
So see man, what's wrong there to drink?
Juice, man.
And do you know what's funny, guys? None of us have chargers, and all of our phones are.
I said my
dying.
phone is not dead.
Besides
Mine is fully charged.
And
Prestige.
something says pick up the
Boobs.
charger when I
Boobs.
run my phone.
Boobs. Cause somebody come and say nobody the foot for the yard.
What? Back foot, one. I drink this raw right now.
No drink.
Wait,
for
oh,
me.
you have to different one. Which one better? When you're so strong.
Lemon.
This more lemon into lemon. Alright, so get one I can drink.
So we've had to come to the gas station to get drink.
You want dash for the fries?
Okay.
You're not going to have a code in it.
No.
You know it's time, so no, you're not going to have it. Yes. Oops, not going to have it. Tell that to them.
So we're gonna go buy juice because Prestige likes to be extremely early, and this is what happens when you're early.
Mom, we have arrived 3 days early, so we have to camp out, you know. We're going to get towels and we're going to have a picnic before. We arrived 3 days early.
Literally. Oh. So now we're gonna go and rummage through the Tesco Express gas station to see what drinks are available. Look at her. Look at her. Look at. You're hurrying.
I'm still
And she's still rushing. Even though we're so early, She's still rushing us.
Cool
Alien,
section.
isn't it?
Yeah, let's go cool section. Cold drink, darling. Get the cold drink. You know the thing, bro. Cheers, bro. You know the thing, bro.
It's not a bit cold.
Monster.
What is this mad girl on?
This looks like it's the drink for me, you know. Yeah, I like this.
Say hello.
Does it come before Thursday?
Say hello. Say hello. Explain to the Jules why we're how much hours early. And you have cheese chips. Let me zoom in. You have cheese chips. Prestige. You have cheese chips. Hello.
Contact the car, please. I'm going to drop on the stool.
I'm late.
It's nice.
Mom,
One more alcohol.
the customer service.
Bad.
Nice.
Nice.
Eh?
Are the best.
We get free bag Prestige.
Eh?
Really.
Without asking.
Maybe get all this free.
Is
What
that
do you
it?
say?
Is it?
It takes one person to ruin it for everybody. You know? It takes one person to abuse the system.
You come go in the job and it says somebody go authorize, you want authorization for the Red Bull and Monster. But him do it from over the counter, you know, make a wait. Him do it instantly so we can go through. And as it done, make me say, right, it looks when I get in the bag, you know. Let me see uncle come in the bag and say, yo, no worries.
Well, it wasn't an uncle, it was a young
He's
guy.
a young-
That's why he gave us a bag, because these uncles would be like, Tempe,
Uncle have yourself a
have you
nothing.
ped? Have you ped?
Ah!
They would have been grilling us. That's why they need to hire more young people in these kind of departments, because we can relate to each other.
You can click.
The purples are still here, you know. Mine rest.
And some of the setup.
Today is Friday. Rest is the beginning of the weekend.
They even brought the barricade thing, look.
Oh no. So what happened? I would love to know.
Or maybe
Deb
he-
got asked.
Is my man stuck in there?
Take things through it.
Oh,
Maybe
he's
he has
locked
to leave.
in. Maybe he can't get out.
Maybe he's supposed to come out. They maybe need him to come out. He said he's not coming out.
We should have a video this enough. So we could have look on it later and analyze it.
You saw some people say no one.
So if you don't want to win down people.
What it?
On enough.
Yeah, but you what making you in this one?
He's not coming out. I think he's saying that he's not coming out.
Yeah.
He said, I'm not coming
Also, if they
out.
come to the door, if most of them come to the door now and jump to the window.
Right. Uncle Mean says he's not coming out.
But to be honest, you just give up at that point.
Do you
Because
know
them
what I
have
mean?
work at you.
They've got you. Like, come on. They've literally got you, sir. Somebody teeth with parking spot.
So they order the man.
And she's still in, or she's still in.
Oh, because I didn't want to do
It's the same woman that was getting the things ready. Aye.
They could give.
Oh, but they're open now, Prestige. You can go you can go
Right now,
perform.
I'm bossy. Bossy like a chicken.
I think I'm gonna go and turn
Some of these
around
people,
the car.
them people come out in our park, you know.
I know,
But we cannot go beside this one.
right? I am gonna turn around the car.
You know what?
Sometimes. Yeah.
You sure you don't want to push this on the
Pushing
pushing your mouth.
my mouth. Push my mouth? Oh
Man, you
no.
like the trees, you have on
I
you.
don't like, I can't park there, honey. It's a blocked off area.
No, not this one.
No,
Don't
this
listen.
one,
What
this
I say
one.
pushing them out. Push
No,
that.
I don't want to park like I want to, because when we want to go home, I just want to drive out instead of having to reverse out and all of that jazz.
Come with them
Oh, she got her door open. Close your door. Jesus Christ. That people make life so complex, you know.
Yeah, but if I go now for date.
Oh,
That's fine.
she's coming out.
She can pass you over there, so?
She
No space there?
I don't know. You just have to maybe wait a minute or so.
You want to choose your boobs? What should I choose you?
Well, I wasn't going to hit her car.
Straight up and put your right knee.
What look like?
It's just her car scratch up.
Yeah, that's
Because she can't drive.
That is she impatient. Is that the man if you have a bunny?
I said, you come and sit in. Did I brush off the job with that?
Who that mom? Eggy? What's your name?
That girl.
Oh, but you say, you call her name. You say Eggy or something. I said, right, mom know people already.
So I'm going to go check what's going on.
I heard them. Go and heard them, mom. Go and heard them.
Look, can you come in the box?
Yes, darling. Yes, darling, you make the box.
You're going yourself here.
They might run you.
Get me some ice, please.
Not me in. You some ice?
Yes, please.
Give us some nice, natural, fresh air.
No jokes.
Hey.